Hi, hello friends. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something super exciting. It comes in a pink box and it just happens to be a summer sale that I got. I've been doing a lot of I did a lot of Memorial weekend shopping, and so this was one of the things, and it is from Jeffree Star. I'm going to be surprised with you because we're going to get into it and see what I got. So let's get started. Okay, friends, I'm just going to dig right in. Here we go. So here's the box, and what I did, they had summer mystery specials, and they had, so you could get eyeshadow palettes for $24, lip products for $6, and skincare for $15. So I went ahead and picked up two palettes, 2 lip products, and 1 skincare. So let's just see what we got. I get so excited for the palettes. I can't stand it. So we're gonna wait till last for that. Make you wait, just like I had to wait until I got it. Okay, it looks like here, the first thing I've got here is a skincare. This is Jefree Star. This is the espresso shot body lotion. Okay, so you know what? I saw this. He has another sale. I was just looking online, and this was like $6. So, and I paid $15. So that's not right, right? Sometimes I think they throw things in there that they're just trying to get rid of, and I should expect that from mystery products. But I'm not excited about it because I'm one of the few people that don't really get into the smell, the coffee or espresso. Anyway, the smell is not my favorite, and I especially don't want it on my body. So that's a little bummer, but I do love the concept that it's a lotion. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, this was on their site for $6. They had have a sale going on right now. They have a lot of $3 products, $6 products, $9 products. No palettes, but other fun things. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed. I don't want to get into this because I probably won't use it because of the smell, but let me, I don't get a really strong espresso. I might like that actually. So we'll see. I'll see. If not, oh, I don't know. Anyway, I'll decide. But there's that. There's my first product. Not a bad product. It's just that I just saw it on sale on their site for cheaper than $15. So anyway, so let's get to our lip products. I've got 2 lip products in here, opening them up. And let's see the cute pink boxes. Okay, the first one, ooh, I don't think I have this kind. This is the Velvet Trap. And let's see, this might be on sale too. Anyway, so it's the kind of a bullet looking, and I like the magnetic closure. That's cool. Okay, let's look at the lip. There it is. It doesn't look like necessarily my color. It's kind of orangey, but you know what? It may be good on. I'm gonna try it. Oh no, shoot, that's not for me. So there's another bummer. I hope the palettes are good. Anyway, I love the packaging. Sometimes I just get happy the packaging, you know, does it for me. So anyway, the next thing I have here, I'm gonna take that off here real quick. Okay, so the next lip product I have will probably be a mess as well. It is, this is the Supreme Gloss, or do they call it glaze? No, it's gloss. Okay, and it's brown, totally brown, which is not me. But let's see. Sometimes I can wear brown, but this one's looking really dark. I just don't think it's going to work for me. I'm not going to try it. So, another loss. Let's hope I'm doing this real time, so it's like bummer, 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 bummer. And I know this happens with mystery things, but I'm seeing something now, though, that I'm going to be really, really excited about. In fact, it's one of the palettes I have wanted from Jeffree that I have almost purchased, but haven't. This palette is worth $52, and I got, I got the Blood Sugar palette. Yay! I am excited about this. I'm really excited about this. So this, here we go. And I just love his palettes, the way he does things. It's got the cute little box here. Let's open it up and let's take a look. Okay, yep, there it is. Kind of full of my colors. So I really like that. It's very fun. So yeah, there's a lot of colors in here that I will use. So I'm super happy with this, the Blood Sugar palette. There we got a better look at it. Yay, okay. So yes, a good thing. I don't know if I want to swatch it or not. I'm kind of anxious to get to the next palette. So let's get to the next palette. Okay, this palette is, I think it's the Banana Fetish. If I'm not mistaken, this is one I wasn't really excited about, but let's see. I'm not a big into yellows, even though I'm wearing yellow. I'm wearing yellow nails and one just popped off when I opened this. So, yay. Should use my scissors instead of my nails. Okay, so let's take a look and see what this is all about. So I'm kind of excited. Oh, it's cute. It's a cute, like, packaging. I love the different shape. It's got the banana on the back. And let's look in it. Oh, okay. This isn't bad. It does have yellows and whatnot. Look at that. So that's not too bad. You know, I'm gonna swatch this middle row because I think this middle row looks kind of exciting here. So let's try it. Okay, there they are. Let's go. Ooh, it's very, very pigmented. Look at that, those four. Now I'm gonna go with the four more. There's two more on this row. Look at that pink. I actually like that blue. I'm not a blue person, but that's really a fun blue. And then we do have yellow ones here. Let's see. Let's try some of the yellow. Oh, I went over the same one. So they're yellow. There's a lot of yellows, that's for sure. But then we've got our browns here too. So I've got, try these four on the bottom. So there's some of the browns. So lots of yellows, but that pink is amazing. This blue is really fun. I like those three colors. So I definitely own this, don't I? Because I swatched it, but actually I'm happy with it. So yay, I got two palettes that I'm happy with, and you can't complain about that because I got a good deal on them. So this one is wonderful. I'm not going to swatch it, but maybe I'll do a try on with it. So, whoops, that goes the other one. Anyway, so that's what I got. Hits and misses. It's 2 palettes that I'm happy with. There we go. And the 2 lip products right here. And this, the lotion. Now, do you think I should contact Jefree Star? I think I might just message them and say, hey, you know, I got this. I paid $15 for it. You have it on sale for $6 right now. You know, what's up? Anyway, we'll see what happens. So I think I'm going to try that. Anyway, this is it. This is my Jefree Star, and I love it when he has sales. I'm usually happy overall, although, you know, I was a little bit disappointed with a couple of things I got here, but it's not the end of the world. So it was fun to do, and I will continue to shop at Jefree Star, especially their sales. Their sales are just so fun. So it was actually, I knew Jefree Star, but I actually didn't have any of his products till this year, earlier. And in February, I bought their Valentine's specials, and it was so fun. So anyway, if you're interested, I think they do still have it on sale right now. Plus, they have a lot of $3, $6, and $9 items on sale. So go check out Jefree Star. And I guess that's it. Let me know what you think. What palettes do you know Jefree Star, and what palettes are your favorites? Let me know. And I thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye. Look at my fingers. Bye-bye.